Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's me Venus from SimplyPretty Creations. In this video, I'm going to show you two DIY candle stands using these glass Tealight holders. These were bought from D-Mart for Rs 22 each. They are available in 5 different colors: red, blue, green, pink and orange. I'll be using red and blue ones. These glass lanterns were for 39 rupees each. I'll be using 2 of these also. So let's get started with the first DIY. These are the items you'll need. 12 of these blue tea light holders, since I'm making 2 candle stands. 6 for each. 2 of these glass lanterns. A pair of pliers and a strong glue that can be used for sticking glass. I'm using E6000 glue. Now let's move on to the second DIY. You will need 10 numbers of this red tea light holder, gold spray paint, a glass tumbler which looks like this, and also E6000 glue.